What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Cinco, back with another one. You know what I'm saying? Hey, we back. It's Monday. We got a fresh trading week. And this is a big trading week, mind you. Hey, this is a big week. If you trade any type of US dollar pairs, this is a huge week. This is a huge week. Hey, we got on Wednesday alone, you have CPI, you got inflation rate, you got interest rate decisions. And you got a Fed press conference on Wednesday. So please believe, Wednesday, somebody's account's getting blown. Somebody out there is definitely RIP. Somebody's account come Wednesday, somebody's account's getting blown. That's for sure. And also at the same time, somebody about to come up. There's going to be some people out there make some good money on Wednesday if you're on the right side of the market. Now, with that being said, I'm currently probably going to be looking for dollar driven pairs, as far as like I'm gonna be pretty much dollar bullish. I'm gonna be bullish on the dollar. Last couple weeks the inflation numbers have been hot. Our jobs numbers are constantly decreasing. So right now I'm looking forward to CPI coming out pretty hot, inflation data coming out hot, interest rates are probably going to stay the same. And then in the press conference, hopefully they mention something about, how there's probably not going to be any rate cuts this year. We got to get inflation in control and whatnot. You're probably going to see some dollar strength. So pairs like GBP USD might fall. Pairs like Euro USD might fall in favor of the dollar. Gold might fall in favor of the dollar. These indices, US30, NAS 100, S&P 500, they might fall in favor of the dollar. So I'm going to be looking for sell setups on the indices. I'm going to be looking for sell setups on gold. However, I'm not going to be taking those setups on Wednesday prior to any of that data coming out. Ideally, I will be trying to look for a setup today or Tuesday that can get me into position to where come Wednesday, I'm already in profit a little bit. And then, I can just manage my risk as far as having my stops at break even or, at a pretty tight level to where I'm not going to lose a lot of money. If price goes and fluctuates in a different area or in a different direction than what I'm looking for. So, but hey, I want to be able to position myself to make some decent money if price does, in fact, show some dollar strength and we see it on the charts. So I actually took a US30 position last night on Sunday during pretty much pre-London session. It's not something that I typically do, but I did it. I did it. And I actually made some money on it. I made $200. I was very disciplined with my strategy as far as I didn't hold the trade longer than I should have. I was in and out of the market, and this is pretty much a prime example of why I like to get in and out of the market and don't hold trades long term. I'm gonna break it down real quick exactly what I saw. So on US30, the 30-minute time frame, we had, let's pull this down. We had this level up here we were targeting last week on our buys, because this was a previous level of support now acting as resistance, and you can clearly see that it's clearly acting as resistance here. You got a rejection here, you got a wick rejection here as well. Now Sunday I was looking at the market around this level here, right around here. Let's zoom in just so y'all can see exactly what I was seeing on Sunday. Let's break it down. Very simple, very short and sweet, nothing complicated at all. So price had formed these doji candles on the 30-minute time frame. Mind you, like I said, this is 30-minute candles. So if price formed these two doji candles after this big wick rejection as well. So I was treating this wick rejection as my previous lower high after this wick rejection and price fell. So I was treating this as a lower high in the market. Targeting closer to, down to the 200 moving average, and actually this level of support that I had marked off as well. I was targeting this level. Now, price formed and gave us this black candle, which was a bearish engulfing candle to these dojis. I took that as an entry. I threw my stop loss right above that previous high, that previous lower high here, this wick. And as you see, price initially pushed right into my stop loss and tried to go hit it. but it didn't. We were in hefty drawdown, but I just, you know, stayed strong. Knew if I was going to take that loss, I was going to take the loss. I accepted the risk. However, price did come back to our entry and then completely melted. It was around this time here I had fell asleep. I was sleeping, not really looking at the charts at that moment, and I woke up. It was about right around midnight, right around close to London session open and whatnot. So London was opening. I knew we were going to get, you know, some possible rejections of this level. And I knew if this level was going to hold its support, we were probably going to, you know, get some good bullish movement out of there, which is why I decided to go ahead and just take profit. When I was up a 1 to 2.41 risk to reward ratio, I said, you know what, that's some good money. I'm going to go ahead and secure that, take profit, because it is Sunday. We don't know what volume is going to bring and what price is going to do at this level. And if you look, you see price did bounce from this level multiple times, and market open on Monday morning, you see it just whipsawed back and forth. You had sellers coming in the market, buyers came in to control it, sellers rejected it as well, and then buyers came right back in. So currently right now, as you see, the market is looking pretty bullish coming out of this level. We would have definitely lost this trade if I would have held it. This wick right here, there's this candle would have took us out. So this would have been a losing trade if I would have held it and didn't take profit. This was like I said, it was me just being disciplined, knowing that I'm a scalper, not a swing trader. I don't hold trades long term. So to be able to get in and out of this was actually very nice, and you know, it was just profitable. So I will break. I'll show you here. So we got closed positions. Let's go to the day, and you'll see here. Like I said, this is definitely a live account. See, live account on my Trader's Way, or I'm sorry, not Trader's, Trade Locker. It's crazy. Trader's Way was so long ago. I don't even know why I just said that. If you ever use Trader's Way, shout out Trader's Way. That was like one of the first brokers that I ever used, to be honest with you. But no, this is Trade Locker. And as you see here, let's bring this up so you can see my closed positions. So I took, let's get this out the way. My US30, I took two standard lot sell positions right here that brought me a $200 profit. So these were my winning trades. Like I said, I closed out, got the balance up to 770 now. So we started at $500. We are on the way to 5,000 with this flip on this account. Did take some slight losses on Ethereum, but they did not really hurt the account. They were really small losses in comparison to what we do on our winners. So that's all it is. When it comes to trading, you got to make sure your winners are bigger than your losers. And as long as your winners are bigger than your losers, you're going to end up profitable. It's not really complicated. It's not really complicated at all. Simple as that. So I'm going to keep y'all updated throughout the week as we take more positions and more trades and more activity happens on this account with this flip. I will, you know, like I said, I'll update y'all as we go. But until the next video, peace.